So hello people, so today I'm gonna show you guys how I made this simple tree item with only green banana. So let's get started. These are all the things you need for your green banana porridge, and I will definitely leave a full list of the ingredients in the description box. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So you want to put on your pot with about 3 cups of water and put some salt and get that boil. So now we're going to do the banana, and make sure you guys put some oil on your hand because these things gonna stain like crazy. So you don't want to peel the banana without the oil. And you just gently try to take off the skin like you see in the video. For this I did only use 1 banana because I ain't making a lot of food, and I've used 1 cup of oats and 2 cups of almond milk. You could use water here, so the milk is optional, and then I'm gonna blend it till it's smooth. Whenever you're doing this, make sure you constantly stir the pot. Just keep stirring so it don't have lump or get stuck to the pot, and keep the stove at a medium heat and just continue to stir. This total take me 12 minutes, so about 3 minutes in, you just take your time, stir, and after 5 minutes you're gonna start adding your spices in the pot and just keep stirring till your banana porridge is completely done. It take me 12 minutes to do this because I did turn on the timer to make sure I have a time estimate to tell you guys.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I didn't shake up the coconut condensed milk, and look at it. It was looking horrible. So I went and I tried to whisk it around until it's all come together. So it's now beautiful. And let me tell you, this thing, it smells like grater cake. If you're Jamaican, you know what I'm talking about. A grater cake, and it also tastes like it too. So you guys could go ahead and sweeten this to your liking or the way you want it sweet. So the porridge is now finished after 12 minutes. 12 to 13 minutes it will take to finish. And it was amazing. It tastes so good. Look at that color. It's so beautiful. My mouth is running right now. And you guys know, if you're a Jamaican, you can't have your porridge unless you have your outdoor bread in there. Yeah. So now my porridge is complete. I hope you guys enjoy. Enjoy it. Yeah. Now it's time to do the green fried banana. And you want to repeat the same step that I did for making the porridge.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So now I'm gonna be cutting it into slices like this. You could cut it big or small, and I'm gonna be frying them until they're golden brown on both sides. And you want to repeat the same step until all your green bananas are completely fried. And when you're finished, you just want to top it off with some salt for taste.
It's not a game, it's a
The
rich
green banana was so crunchy and nice. Now it's time to make dinner. So I'm gonna be making some cornmeal dumplings. Now it's time to do the green banana, but this time I'm not gonna peel off the skin. I'm just gonna cut off both tips of it and slide the knife down the middle. So you could peel it if you want, or you could do it just like this. I didn't want to peel them, I just want to stuck them in a pot like this. So I decided to go ahead and make some callaloo to go with the dumpling and green banana, and all I did was chop it up and make sure you wash it real good. I get me some coconut oil, and I'm gonna put in my vegetable, which is tomato, onions, and sweet pepper. And I'm just gonna let that steam, and I'm gonna be adding some onion powder. That's it, and black pepper.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So after letting the dumpling cook for about 10 minutes, you want to go ahead and put in all your bananas in the pot. And you want to go ahead and put some oil in the pot also, so the banana does not change the color of the water. And you want to let this cook for 20 more minutes or until the banana is completely cooked. Now I'm going to be steaming my callaloo, and you want to keep the stove very low and let this simmer for about 15 minutes until it's cooked to your liking. If you like it soft, let it go longer. If you do not like it too soft, just let it go for a little second. But I do put some veggie